Hey everybody, I just want to bring you into Photoshop real quick and show you something that can be very, very frustrating. And if you're not aware of this, then it can just be a total nightmare to work with the crop tool in Photoshop. Right here at the very, very top is a little checkbox that says delete cropped pixels. And for some reason, by default, that is checked. I'm not sure why Photoshop does it that way, but here's what happens if that checkbox is checked and you go in here to say crop this photo, and I'm just going to do a crazy crop just to show you the what it does. So if we go here and we click this little checkbox and we accept that change, then we've cropped it in here, and we decide later, you know what, we actually wanted it cropped a little bit different than that, and we click here and we expand this out. All those pixels have been deleted, so there's no longer a picture here. There's no longer pixels outside of where we had cropped it earlier. It's tough. That's frustrating. That can be very frustrating, especially if you've made some changes. But I'm just gonna undo those changes and then uncheck this little box. I never ever have this box checked, so uncheck this box and then forget about it. But now you can go in here and crop it really tight and come in here, accept those changes, and then decide later that you want it cropped different. All those pixels are still there. That whole photo remains in the background, and you can, crop out past it. You can crop into it. You can change the look of everything, and just make up your mind later. So that's how that works. Just a quick little thing, but that could be very frustrating as you're working through this. If you're watching this in Equine Photo School's course, then go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. I'm posting this video and some other ones on there. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out equinephotoschool.com/courses.